Hello friends, Namaskar. Hope you are doing all well. You are safe and healthy with your families. I'm Dr. Swarup Lauti. I'm working as a professor and head at YT Chavan College of Pharmacy, Aurangabad. So through this series of presentations on the pharmacy admission, I'm going to guide you into the pharmacy admission process, right from the career opportunities to get from the in the pharmacy up till you are going to get a good pharmacy college if you are selecting pharmacy as a career option. So friends, you are on verge of completion of your 12th examination. So there is big question into the mind, what is a right choice of career after 12th? So while choosing the career options, many suggestions are available with you. Maybe your parents, maybe your relatives, maybe your friends, or maybe your neighbors, they are suggesting you various career options which are available. But while selecting the career options, you should take your likings and dislikings, strengths and weaknesses into the consideration. So which are the various career options which are available after the 12th? There are mainly three streams are available, as you know: art, science, and commerce. So mainly we are talking about the science because we are talking about the pharmacy as a career option. So pharmacy is considered to be a buzzing word nowadays, especially into the this pandemic area. Medical profession and the pharmacy profession is come up. Presently, it is considered to be the second biggest sector value-wise to start a career. So after completion of your pharmacy, there may be question into the mind. So if I opt pharmacy as a career, where I am going to work? So you can work into the various department in pharmaceutical industries, like manufacturing of medications, quality control and quality assurance of the medication. These are separate department in pharmaceutical industry. You can work as a scientist in research and development department after completion of your pharmacy graduation, post graduation, and the PhD. Then you can work in food and drug administration department, which is a government department where you can work as the drug inspector, government analyst, drug commissioners, and various posts which are available into the FDA department. Then also you can work into the pharmaceutical marketing and sales department as a medical sales representative, as a different managerial level, product management team. Then also you can start your own retail drugstore. So retail drugstore, the concept is nowadays completely changed. It is not just a medical shop. You can start a generic drugstore. You can start wellness stores nowadays. Also, you can start the concept stores like immunity stores, vitamin stores, online pharmacies, many online apps which are available for the online pharmacies. Then also you can work as a hospital pharmacist in various bigger hospitals, in government hospitals. Also you can work into the armies, NDAs, where the hospital pharmacist posts which are available. This hospital pharmacist is a very good career, especially into the Middle East, in UK, in US, in Canada. These posts which are of hospital pharmacists, they are available with very good salaries. Clinical trials is also another option. India is considered to be a hub for clinical trials. So after discovery of any particular drug, these drugs, they are tried onto the human beings and the animals. So in this clinical trial department, the pharmacy is having very good career option. And no doubt as a teacher, as an academician like me, so you can start your career as a teacher and you can make the shape of other students who are taking admission into the pharmacy after completion of your post graduation and the PhD in pharmacy. The good pharmacy career, which are the various courses which are available. So the first course which is available is a diploma in pharmacy course, which is a 2 years duration course. Second course which is available is bachelor's of pharmacy, also called a degree in pharmacy, which is a 4-year duration course. Then M pharmacy, masters of pharmacy. After completion of your B pharmacy, you can go for specialization in masters of pharmacy. There is various specializations which are available. So as per your skills and as per your likings, you can select the specialization and you can become masters in pharmacy within 2 years. Then PharmD is also called a doctoral course in pharmacy. So after PharmD, you become doctor of pharmacy. This is recently introduced course in pharmacy, 6 years course. So after completion of PharmD, you are having a very good career option into the abroad, especially in US, Canada, and UK, and in Middle East. Then also integrated courses which are offered by certain universities and the big colleges like NIMS and the Amity University and the Manipal University BITS Pilani, they are offering this type of integrated courses, B.Pharm plus MBA courses. So these are the 5-year dual degree courses. So you can choose any of these particular courses out of the courses available to start a career into the pharmacy. So friends, in today's discussion, we discussed regarding which are the various career options which are available after the pharmacy and which are the courses which are available. Okay. So in next coming videos, we are going to discuss, I'll give the information regarding various good pharmacy colleges and the eligibility criteria for various courses in the pharmacy and how to select a good pharmacy college for the admissions. So for any queries, any help regarding the pharmacy admission, you can contact me anytime. My contact number is given here and you can also contact me on email. So if you like this particular video, please share it on various social medias. Please like it and to spread it for the benefit of the students and the parents. So thank you very much.